Alright, so have you ever had a client or a model that has long hair with layers that wants to grow the layers out into a one-length trim? Well, if so, hey, that's what we're doing in this particular haircut. So basically all we're going to do is we're going to trim up the outline and remove some of the length, but we're not going to touch any of the layers because the layers are what we want to grow out. So, as you can see, I've got a center section down the middle of the back, 2 A-line sections that are clipped away, and all of the hair that's hanging down is the hair that we're cutting. And this first section is our guide to the length for the rest of the haircut. So, taking another A-line section right there, combing that hair down, clipping away the above hair, and I'm now just going to comb this hair down to the previous section and cut it the length of that previous section. And once I've completed this section, I'll continue to work my way up the left side of the head. And as I said before, no layering necessary. We're growing out the layers to a one-length trim. Once I've completed the left side, I'll do the same on the right side, and then we'll pretty much be all done with the haircut. Alright, so now that we've completed the left side, it is time to take an A-line section here on the right side, clipping that hair away, right there, combing the hair down, and the hair I'm combing down, I'm going to comb down to the previous section that's underneath it, so I know how short to cut this section. And not a whole lot to explain, doing the exact same thing I already did on the left side here on the right side. Once we are done with cutting the length, we'll go ahead and dry it, and we'll be done with the haircut. So we come to the end of this one-length trim with layers that we're growing out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, put them down in that comment section below. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. As always, I want to thank you so much again for watching.